Ang ganda ng langit. The roses bloom in May, so roses everywhere. Can you see the flowers? Ganda, no? 안녕하세요, 여러분. Cherish Unni가 돌아왔어요. And actually, I'm here outside. Finally, after 3 months, I was able to go to a park. And today we're visiting this rose park. I think it's a rose park or a rose garden. Pero it's really actually a very, very long garden. So, tara, samahan ninyo ako na mag-visit ng mga malalaking roses. Maliliit na roses. Very, very colorful roses. Let's go! Kaja! Shoo! It's actually a field of yellow flowers, but because it's too sunny, you cannot see yung yellow. There's a rose tunnel. Let's go. Ganda ng roses. Ang ganda ng roses. Grabe. It's my first time here. Ang ganda. Wait po to. Wow. Sobrang ganda. Like a flower crown. So nice. Wow, ang ganda, diba? It's so nice to walk on a flowery tunnel like this. And they're real. Imagine, they're real. Tapos nandun sila sa arch. If I have a garden like this, I think I would be really happy. Like every day, makikita mo yung mga roses na ganyan. Ang ganda-ganda. I wish I could come here every day, kaya lang medyo malayo siya sa bahay ko. Kailangan pa magbiyahe. But I'm so happy. Kasi for the past week, the whole week, it was very cloudy and gloomy and sobrang nakakasad talaga. And today, I feel so happy seeing all these roses. At meron ding rose lamp. So cute. Wow. Roses. Pink roses. White roses. Yellow roses. Red roses. Ang ganda ng mga roses. Ganda ng mga roses. Kahit mukha akong eng-eng, sumisigaw-sigaw ako dito. But I'm so happy. So happy! I beg your pardon. I never promised you a rose garden. Rose garden. Haha. There is this arc and we will go down. Diba? May pa roses sa bridge. Wow, so pretty! So, to get to the big roses, we need to cross this bridge. Goodbye, Corona. Annyeong! Oh my gosh, that's so cute! May tatlo! Tatlo yung nagbabike. Wow! Look at the flowers! Ang dami! Ang laki ba? Wow! It's as big as my hand! Wow! Bigger than my hand pa! Paano? Ang laki! How? Paano ang laki ng roses dito? Ano to? May alien? Alien lang ba to? Alien flowers? Ano bang sinasabi ko, diba? Always walk on flowery path. So, let's always walk on rosy path. Yay! Wow! For me?
What?
May bouquet na, may bouquet. Pa-bouquet ni Mayor, isang buo na. Oh. Tan-ta-da-dan! Ta-da-da-dan! Mabango! It's so nice! Wow! Grabe, ang ganda! Always walk on flowery paths. Ito iba-iba kulay. Merong super pink, merong baby pink, red. So pretty. You've seen all the roses and I'm so happy. Ayan, mga dongse. I hope that brightened your day today. And this has been your Cherish Unni, and see you on my next video. So please like and subscribe to my channel. This has been your Cherish Unni. 다음에 또 만나요. 안녕. From the SEOUL Rose Festival.